This outer is outer feeble. Doing it on a ledge, not a rail cross. I don't know, feeble's easier on a ledge when you're first learning them. You gotta know how to bunny up. Most of these videos you gotta know how to bunny up. So as you bunny up towards the ledge, pull your tyre in towards you, let your back end slam down, and just put your front down. You wanna stay on the centre of the bike, so like, use your balance. You wanna stay like that instead of leaning left or right or over bars or teeth on the floor, that kind of stuff. But the ledge might be a bit wobbly or a bit crooked. You just wanna adjust your steering with your bars, so then as you turn to the left, you might lean a little bit further left or right, and then as you come towards end of how big your ledge is, whether it's tiny or small, pop off, cruise away, go into somebody's DMs and say, I've just learned feebles. Yeah, I think that's how to feeble. Peace out, guys.